In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Xero payment error step by step. A payment error in Xero usually happens in one of two situations. Either a customer is trying to pay your online invoice and the payment fails, or you're trying to pay your Xero subscription and it doesn't go through. The good news is that in most cases, this is quick and easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through both common causes and how to resolve them. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about payment errors related to online invoices. This usually happens when there's an issue with your connected payment service. To fix this, log into your Xero account and go to your dashboard. From there, click on Organization Settings. Inside Organization Settings, select Invoice Settings. This is where your online payment services are connected to your invoices. Now, look for the Payment Services section. You need to check and confirm that your payment service, such as Stripe, PayPal, or any other provider you're using, is properly connected and active. Make sure the status shows as active and not disconnected or expired. If it's disconnected, you'll need to reconnect it by following the prompts and reauthorizing the integration. Sometimes simply refreshing the connection can resolve the payment error immediately. Also, double-check that the correct payment service is enabled for your invoices. If you've recently changed providers or updated account details, your invoices may still be linked to an old or inactive service. Update the settings and save your changes. Once done, test the invoice payment again to see if the issue is resolved. Now let's move on to the second common cause, the payment account not being active. This often affects both invoice payments and subscription payments. To fix this, go back to the main menu and click on Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all your accounts in Xero. Find the account linked to your payments. Check to make sure the account is not hidden and is marked as active. If the account is hidden, you'll need to restore it so it can process transactions properly. If it's inactive, you may need to reactivate it or select a different active account for your payment processing. Click into the account to review its details. Confirm that everything is set up correctly, including bank account information if applicable. If you recently made changes to your bank account or payment details, make sure those updates are reflected here. After confirming the account is active and visible, save any changes and try processing the payment again. In most cases, this resolves the Xero payment error right away. If you're trying to pay your Xero subscription specifically and it's failing, also double-check your billing details under your subscription settings. Make sure your card details are up to date, not expired, and that there are no restrictions from your bank. So just to recap, if you're seeing a Xero payment error, first check your payment service under Organization Settings and Invoice Settings to confirm it's active and properly connected. Second, go to Accounting and Chart of Accounts to make sure the payment account is not hidden and active. These two checks solve the majority of Xero payment errors. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Xero payment error quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.